Journal of the Association of Christian Economists, Number 1, Autumn 1985. Biblical Principles and Economic Theory. George N. Monsma, Jr., Calvin College. Part 5. In sum, then, the biblical evidence regarding proper stewardship of God's resources indicates that a. Those who have been entrusted with resources have only a limited right to the personal use of them or the goods they can produce. b. Those who have been entrusted with resources have a duty to use them productively in order to meet their own family's needs and to meet the needs of others who do not have enough to meet their own needs. c. Societies have a duty to provide just structures, including systems of property rights. For structures to be just, they must at least 1. Assure all families access to the basic necessities of life at all times. 2. Provide all families with the opportunity to develop and use their God-given talents and other resources in such a way that they can provide for their own needs, at least in the long run. 3. Provide all families with the economic freedom necessary to enable them to exercise responsible economic stewardship of their resources, at least in the long run. This includes having decision-making opportunities in the use of their resources in production as well as in consumption. And 4. Place limits on the concentrations of wealth, income, and economic power in the society, for this is necessary in order to achieve the first 3. d. Individuals and societies must care for their natural environment and not exhaust its resources to such an extent that the future generations lack the possibility of providing all with the things listed in C above.